5 things you should know as a 3D printing beginner. 1. Don't touch your build plate with your fingers. Finger oils can reduce adhesion. 2. If your first layer doesn't stick, check your bad leveling before changing other settings. 3. You can create custom models without learning CAD. Use Sparko.ai to turn text or images into printable STL files. 4. You can start with PLA filament before trying other materials. It's the easiest choice for beginners. 5. If your 3D printer turns your model into spaghetti, check your first layer and bed adhesion before printing again. If you want to print one yourself, comment Spark and I'll send you the link.